Hey guys, today I'm going to review a little toy that I got at the dentist. So you can see I went to the dentist, and if you saw yesterday's little clip that I uploaded, you would know that I broke my tooth. It's all fixed now. They just had to take it out because there was a tooth already growing in. So today I'm going to review these things called, this came in my little package. It was right inside, but they are laser finger beams. Don't know what they are. They come in how many colors? 4 colors, I think. Yeah, 4 colors: red, white, blue, and green. And so yeah. And I will show you how they work. So I'll be right back. Okay, they're out of the box, and here they are. They're cute. They're little cars, and they have so much detail on them. It's like falcon at the back, and I don't know, it's just very cool detail. Hopefully you can see that. Hold on, let me hold it right. Let me hold it from the bottom, like that. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that, but I think it's like that in every car. Yeah, the same in every single car. But every car is unique. Like for instance, the red one. It's very unique. And so to turn it on, there's like a switch right here. You can see. Yeah, there you go. That's a very good lighting, actually. Oh, you just saw it. Ooh, and the camera looks pink. Oops, sorry, guys. But it looks pink, but it's not pink. Don't look at the light, guys. Could you see it on top of me? Did you see it? Could you guys see that in the camera? Hopefully. See it? There you go. Now you can see it. You guys can see that, right? Isn't that cool? And then to turn it off, you just pull it backwards. It like glows from the top in the camera. That's not how it looks when you actually turn it on, but that's how it looks in the camera. It looks glowy. You want to see again? It looks glowing, but it's not. It's just a color. And next, I'm gonna show you guys the white one. It's like an ice kind. So yeah, the same thing. You turn it on like that. Wait. Oh, this one's stuck. There we go. Oops. There you go. Now you guys can see that. This one looks blue with the light on. Doesn't it look blue with the light on? Oh my god. It looks blue with the glowing thing right here. On the camera it looks blue. Does it? Leave it in the comments below. But as you can see, oh my god, on the camera, why does it look blue? Is it blue? It's not blue. It's not blue. It looks blue on the camera. That's weird. On my face? Yeah, it looks blue on the camera. It's really white. It's super white, but in the camera it looks blue. It's not supposed to be blue. This one's supposed to be blue. Imagine this one looks white. But yeah, so that's it for that one. Next, I'm going to do the green one. Or should I do the blue one? I'm going to do the blue one. Same thing. You turn it on the same way. Oops. In the camera, that looks way more blue. Oh my god, this one's my favorite. This one's cool. Now on the camera, this one looks blue because the sun is blue. As you can see, that one's super blue. That one is super. Oh my god, on the camera that looks awesome. Ooh, that looks cool. And I'm gonna point out loud. Okay, guys, close your eyes, but especially if you're wearing glasses. But close your eyes. I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. I'm gonna point this at your face, so close your eyes. Unless you're warning, close your eyes, or else you might need glasses. That should be my flash of light in some scenes in my new series. I should record that right now. Nah, I'll record it later. And you guys wouldn't notice my brothers aren't here. They're still at school. They go to Roosevelt. And at Roosevelt, you come out at 3 o'clock. Woo, I come out at 2:30. So, this one's the same thing. You turn it on like that. Now this one looks blue. All of them look blue in the camera. What the hey? What the hey? What the hey? If you were wondering why I'm saying that, my mom watches my videos. Awkward. Okay, could you guys see that? That looks blue. Oh my. All of these look blue in the camera. They're not blue. They're real green. They're real green. Spotlight. You could dance all you want, but you'll never get to me. You can dance all you want, but you won't escape me. Give it in the comments below if you know that song. If you wanna escape, there was no way out. That's my new favorite song. But yeah. And I'm gonna be making a parody of it. Which means I'm gonna be singing it, or I'm gonna be making it sound stupid. I am so sorry I said that. I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mommy. I am so busted. Okay, but that's it for the review. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. And the link, I'll leave a link in the description to my Twitter and my Instagram. Guys, I know how to do links now. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go check them out, and yeah, so bye guys. Now, okay. Once again, bye. You better. Why does that always happen when I put my earphones in my iPad? That always happens when I'm trying to record something and then that happens. But yeah. So, fuck you out. Bye guys. Oh, wait. Not done yet. You ready? You ready for this? Ready? You guys probably saw what I'm doing already. Bye guys. That looks awesome in the camera. That looks like an ultrasound when you're having a baby. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? It does, doesn't it? Kind of. That's probably what a baby sees when they're coming out of... Never mind. Bye, guys.